Welcome. If you wanna add event to calendar in your Xiaomi Black Shark 2, let's click on the calendar. In our case, this is the Google Calendar. Right now, click on these dots, 1, 2, and click on I got it. Then we have to click on this marker and choose the type of the event. Right now we have to input the title. Mine will be hard reset. And here we can also choose the other options like location, descriptions. We can also add the people here and the time, of course. If you just set up everything, tap on the save in the right upper corner. And here is our event. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.